Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. We just unwrapped this 2021 Harris. This is a 230 cruiser, so a 23-foot pontoon. We did option this with the tri-tune, so this is a tri-tune 23-footer. We got the nice docking lights. You've got the gray with the white accent that runs all the way down here. Again, the Cruiser 230 gives you 23 foot in length. And then we option this with the Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower. Let's go on and take a look inside. All right, so the interior, we did the layout of called SL, so single lounger. You've got the nice backrest here where you can face forward, or if you'd like, you can just pull it up and face it backward as well. We've got tons of storage underneath the seat here. You've got a cooler underneath that seat there, USB, cup holders, everything you need. As you can see, it is a tan color, and then it has a darker, kind of a grayish color accent. As we walk in, we got a beautiful looking, taller helm seat. It does adjust forward and back. It does swivel around, and the armrests go up and down. For 2021, the Cruisers had a little bit of a change at the helm. So, a little nicer look. We got the Lowrance on here. We also have a nice cell phone charger, wireless. It is optioned with the standard Fusion stereo, and we've got 4 speakers here. Underneath all the seats is storage areas, and they are on hinges, which is really nice. You just pop it up here, and you got storage underneath there. The 23 gives you tons of space. Again, the SL, we've got this and other pontoons for 2021 available. So come on down to Rogers, take a look at this boat, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.